All right. So I want to talk to you a little bit about skipping and focusing some of our tests. Now, why might you do that? Well, sometimes as you're writing code, some of the tests are going to break, and it's going to get a little overwhelming when you have 5,000 tests and 100 of them are broken for some reason. You may want to simply focus on a single test. Now, in Jasmine, you can do that by simply putting an F on this it, turning it into a fit. And you can see here when our test runner here that it's going to run one of the 5 tests, right? It's only running this one because this is the only test that we currently care about. Now, you can also do that on the describe block. So F describe, which you'll see now is running 3 of the 5, and then it's graying out these other ones because it's skipping over these. So even if this was failing, right? So let's just say that this was, we just put 1, 2, 3 on the end here, which it would fail. It's skipping those tests. Now, if we take it off, you'll see, of course, it's going to fail, right? Because our test is poorly written. But the focus allows us to focus on a single part of our test. By the same token, if we remove this and we still had the 1, 2, 3 here, that it was failing, and we knew for some reason this test was failing and we were going to work on it, but we needed to skip it for now, we can put an X on it and it's going to skip it, which you'll see it's still going to skip it like so. And we can do the same thing for our describe block. So depending on your testing library, you'll have the ability to skip your groupings as well as your tests or to focus them. Keep that in mind as you go and work through some of your testing, that these are tools at your disposal.